Hello guys, welcome to my first Airsoft video gameplay. Today, I'm playing at my local field in Indonesia. Today's game mode is a simple team deathmatch. We were divided into two teams, which are Team A and Team B. In this game, my job is to attack the enemy from the left side. From this side, I can see an enemy, but I didn't take the shot as I cannot see him clearly, and it's too dangerous if I miss the shot. Therefore, I need to move to get a better position. Now from this side, I can see my enemy clearly. I missed the first shot, but luckily he has no idea where the shot is coming from, and I have the second chance and I got him. As you can see, there's enemy shooting to my current position. I need to move to another position. My teammate has told me from the radio that there's some enemy trying to flank us from the right side. So I decided to move to the right side and find that enemy.
Sisit, udah ada yang di kanan sini, gue mau coba flanking di belakangnya. Musuhnya udah ada yang di sebelah danau. Gue mau coba ke sana.
In this moment, I need to move slowly to avoid the enemy to hear my footsteps. As you can see, there are so many foliage and leaves. It's not easy for me to walk silently. From this side, I can hear an enemy approaching to my direction. I didn't take the shot because it was too close for me.
Freeze.
The right side has been cleared, so I decided to flank the rest of the enemy. Finally, I found the last enemy, and we win the game. Next games, we change side.
Tuh ada yang maju tuh.
I see an enemy running in the right hand side, trying to flank us. I decided to move to the right side and find a good hiding spot so I can kill the enemy that want to flank us from the right side. I hid in the bushes and the enemy didn't notice me, so I shot him in the back. After I killed that guy, I decided to move to the enemy base. Now there is only one enemy left hiding. My teammates already killed all enemy in the left hand side, so I try to find the last guy that's still hiding in the deep forest. As you can see, I'm always observed at the tree above me. I'm afraid that there's enemy hiding up in the tree. I walk slowly because I know the last guy is close to me, and I find him hiding up in the tree, but luckily he didn't notice me. So I take the shot, and we won the game again.
Gak habis ya?
Next game, we change side again. In this game, I found a cheater. As you can see, I hit him in the face, but he didn't call the hit. So I decided to shoot him again in his forehead. Finally, he called the hit. Cheater is really bad for airsoft. If you're playing airsoft and you got hit, please call your hit. This time, I crawl again slowly to get the best sniping spot in the field.
Di dekat ban.
I move and see the enemy in front of us. So I decided to shoot him through this tiny hole. And finally, I got him in the head.
Udah kena.
The guy that ran in front of me has told our team that he spotted an enemy sniper. I move to the next cover to try to spot him. From this point of view, I can see him clearly. The guy that I previously killed was the opponent sniper. By killing him, now my team have the advantage to be able to flank the enemy without thinking that there will be an enemy sniper trying to kill them. Now, the strategy is to push the enemy from the left and right side of the field. However, I am the only one who pressed the enemy from the mid side. I take the risk. Luckily, I found an enemy and I got him. Using the radio, My teammate has reported to me that there is only one enemy left. But as you know, it is not easy to find one enemy hiding in the middle of the forest, so I decided to climb a tree to get the best position to find him. Luckily, he's right in front of me, and he also spotted me. I got him, but as you can see, he does not call the hit. Let's see it one more time.
Hit!
Finally, he hit me, and even though he's not calling my shot, I still count his shot. Although it is hard to believe, but this is what we should do. You know, actually it is up to you. Some people just decide to go and yell to the cheaters, but for me this is the right thing to do. For all airsoft cheaters, please stop doing it. Cheating is really bad for all sports, including airsoft. So this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching my first airsoft video. If you have any suggestions, just put it on our comments table and we'll read it. And thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.